This is Canva AI. Now, I honestly have kind of low expectations. This is a new feature that they've added here in Canva Create 2025. If you're watching this early, this is probably raw and about the same experience you're going to have if you're watching it later. As with all these AI tools, it's really only going to get better and better, and this is probably the right way for Canva to be going. Now, I've created a simple prompt because I need a new YouTube video thumbnail for a recent video. This does not take me a long time to do. I've got kind of a system broken down in Canva with templates and kind of a rough idea of what I want, but I want to see what Canva will do. Now, as you can see here, it's got some options. We've got a design for me. We've got to create an image. We've got draft a doc and then code for me. So yes, you can actually code with Canva now. Now I want to use the first one, the design for me, and just see what it can do. This is the first time that I've done this. This is completely live, and let's see what happens. So we're going to click the submit button, and it's going to open up what you're probably familiar with if you've used any LLM tooling, like chatting with OpenAI's ChatGPT or Anthropic's Claude. It just kind of does its thing and then comes back and gives you, honestly, some very mediocre designs. However, this is a starting point that you can launch, and let's see what we can do with, say, more modern colors. Okay, so it can tweak what it's done here. And again, it's not tweaking a ton. This is probably the one that I like the best out of what it's given me. But, oh, this one's pretty good, actually. Let's take this one. So we'll use this one. We'll open it up in the Canva editor, and actually we can actually open up the colors right here and change on the fly the color palettes. This is one thing I really like about Canva, is the ways you can simply and very quickly just exchange different color palettes. I like this better, the way this looks. We can tweak the text if we want, and again, it didn't really follow my instructions. I want only update holiday hours as my text. Yeah, so those are the tweaks that we're doing. Oh, we can change the image. That's pretty neat. So if I wanted to use this image, we could use that instead. We could search for uploaded images. I could put my own image right there. I don't know that I want to do that. What can I put in here? There's some pictures of me. It doesn't seem like there's a great way to search for images here. So let's go back to this one, select Use Canva Editor, and now we've got this design in our Canva editor, which we should all be used to seeing by now. So now I can go in here and I can actually change out with any of the easily searchable over here on the side, headshots and stuff that I've got. If I did want to use, say, one of my snarky little face images there, I don't think I want to use that either. Probably we just want to use this one that they gave me. So I'm going to blow it up like this a little bit. Let's do that. Smart crop, select done. There we go. Okay, update holiday hours, business guide. Now over here also, I wanted this to be larger, so I'm going to do it like that. And we're just going to leave it like this. That's how you can use the new tooling from Canva that they've created. Are you still stuck doing manual tasks that you should have automated a year ago? Got Sheet is my free weekly newsletter that I created for solopreneurs and marketers like you to help automate, grow, and scale their businesses without having to hire a team. It's free, it's actionable, and it lands in your inbox every week. Subscribe below, gotsheet.xyz, link is in the description. Let me know what you think. Are you using this yet? Will you use it? Is it more cumbersome than it's worth? Is it more trouble than just like actually tweaking a design from scratch? Let me know in the comments below. Like the video if you liked it. I really appreciate that, and consider subscribing to the channel also. Hope you have a great one.